Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today we have Glossybox. Please ignore everything behind me. It's Aria's birthday and we're moving house, so it's a mess. Glossybox, if you don't know, is a monthly beauty subscription box. I have to tell you that I did used to work with Glossybox where I would get sent PR. However, I pay for this myself now. I stopped PR, I don't know, 18 months ago. So I do have to disclose that I have worked for them previously, but not anymore. It's a really pretty box. Look at that. Normally you get like the pink. The standard is like the pink with a black embossed, but this is a very pretty one. The theme thing is a QR code that I can't scan because I'm filming on my phone. So we're just going to wing it and see what happens. So it looks like this. This will be the little QR code that you're supposed to scan. I will scan it afterwards and link everything that I can for you. So, ooh, we've got a little, I think this is like an extra treat, dairy milk, fruitier and nuttier caramel mix. That looks yummy. They do this one and they do an orange one. That's nice. Oh, I can see something with Pixie. Oh, I love this stuff. This is a Pixie brow tamer. This used to be a regular in beauty boxes. Like when I first started, this would appear every few months in a variety like Birchbox, Glossy. Oh, what was the other one? Look Fantastic, Rocker. This would always appear, but I haven't had one of these in years and I really like these. It's just a clear brow gel to like put your brows in place. Very happy with that. There's like a little sample, a Neutrogena Retinol Boost sample thing that will get used. So there's a lot in there this month. We've got a Nivea cream for face, body and hands, just a little travel size one. I love the Nivea creams. Sealed, obviously. I'm not going to open it now. But yeah, they're really nice. I use the Nivea stuff I use on the kids as well because they all have eczema and that seems to work really nicely. We've got a Balance. Are you Balance Me? Is this Balance Me? I don't think it is. What is it? What's in it for me? It looks like that looks like, is it the Balance Me or what was the other brand? Rosemary leaf extract to rejuvenate, plus rosemary oil and aloe to soothe, along with lemongrass oil to cleanse and rebalance the skin. Body cleanser. Let's have a sniff of you. Oh, I'll try and open it. Get out. Ooh, gooey. Oh, it smells yummy. That smells really good. It's not overpowering, but it's a body cleanser anyway, so it's not going to be near your nose. Use in the shower. Just a nice little travel one again. What are you? Hot Hair Goals Paradise Punch Heat Protection Mist with botanical extracts and amino acids. So it's just a little, again, a travel sized heat protector. I'm really bad. I need to use more heat protector. I'm a bugger for mine, especially on this side because of the blonde. I'm wearing a beanie because I've got a hair mask on under here and I don't want you to see how greasy my roots are. So yeah. What are you? Oh, Revolution Power Fix Mist. Are you a dewy one or a matte? Just says fixing spray. So you just spray this on after you've put your makeup on to keep it in place. I'll try and find out if it is dewy or matte and I'll put it in the description box. Anyone that's watched this channel before will know I am a huge fan of Revolution. They're one of my favourite makeup brands ever. This is a vegan by Happy Skin original skin essence toner, chamomile, calendula and aloe vera juice, natural ingredients, cruelty free and vegan. So it's just like you use a toner, you wash your face with your cleanser and then you use a toner afterwards. It's got a smell but not overpowering. I know a lot of people don't like their facial products to be really scented. That's not got a strong scent at all. I'll give that a go. I am a devout Fenty skin. That is my kind of go-to. I use all the Fenty stuff, but that is very, very perfumed. Like, I love it, but it is a very, very strong scent. So yeah, this one's a nice one that I will definitely give a go. Probably use this as, again, like a travel one. I've got like a little travel bag because I go to see my friends who live in Nottingham and Dudley quite a lot, so having little travel size things is always nice. I think that was a really good box. Like, there's nothing in it that I won't use, so I'm a happy little panda today. I will try and upload this today if I can, but I'm going to give you a little quick pan of my living room. This is like every single room in my house is like this at the moment. There is just boxes absolutely everywhere. So I will do my best. Thanks so much for watching, and I love you. Bye.